Hi everyone, welcome to Glittery Tales. This is Amika. Today I am gonna do my contour and highlight routine, which you guys have been asking me for a long time. If you want to see how I do it, then keep watching and subscribe my channel. So let's get started. I will start with primer and I am using Bea Blurin Primer, applying on the area where I have pores, and this primer is really good. Who have large pores, they can easily go for this primer. Now for foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 230 and applying with a beauty sponge. When you use the beauty sponge for blending the foundation, it should be damp in the water, otherwise it will absorb the most of the product. Now our priming and foundation is done. Let's go for the contour. If you do a fish face, you can feel where your chin start from, as you can see. Or you can use anything like makeup brush to define the area to contour. So you have to drop from there to till that eyeball area. For contour, I am using Kryolan Supra color in the shade NG1. It's a cream contour. So I'm making a line first to the both of my cheek, as you can see, and then lifting the colors towards up. Then it's time to contour the forehead. This technique gives the illusion of your forehead being smaller. Then comes to the jawline. This helps to define the shape, and if you have double chin, that helps to hide. So I'm contouring the jawline, as you can see. Next, for the lips, I am contouring the bottom part and in between the cupid's bow. This will help your lips to look plumper. Now for nose contouring, we will contour the side of the nose, that will make the nose slimmer. For that, I am using an angular brush like that. We'll draw the line first, then smudge it down. Now it is time for the highlighting part. I am basically filling all the gaps. And for that, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. This is how it looks with all the contour and highlight. Now we'll blend all the contour area with damp beauty sponge. Then blending all the highlights area with a different sponge that is also dumped in water. Blend, blend and blend well so there should be no harsh line between two colors. I am setting the highlighted areas with MAC Studio Fix powder, taking it with sponge and tapping on the highlighted areas. To give more depth on the contour area, now I am using MAC Copper Tone. Now for the blush, I am using MAC Satin powder. Time for the highlighting and I am using Sugar Highlighter palette. We'll apply the highlighters on the areas as you can see. And for application, I am using a buffer brush like this. So this is the final look guys. I really hope you enjoyed in-depth contour and highlight routine. Subscribe for more and like and share the video. So see you soon with a new one. Till then, stay glittery. Bye bye.